prisoner of words unsaid. I'm a prisoner of words unsaid. Just lonely feelings locked away in my head. I trap myself further every time I stay quiet. I should start to speak, but I stop and stay silent. And now I've made my own hard bed inside this prison of words unsaid. POW, that's what I am. Not a prisoner of war, a prisoner of words. Mostly I say what you want to hear. Could you take it if I came clear, or would you rather just see me stoned on a drug of complacency and compromise? MIA, guess that's what I am. Scraping this cold, hard earth for a piece of myself. For peace in myself. It'd be easier if you just put me in jail. You know, if you locked me away, I'd have someone to blame. But these bars of steel are of my making. They surround my mind and have me shaking. My hands are cuffed behind my back. I'm a prisoner of the worst kind, in fact. I'm a prisoner of compromise, a prisoner of compassion, a prisoner of kindness, a prisoner of expectation, a prisoner of my youth. Run too fast to be old. I forgot what I was told. Ain't eyesight to behold. A prisoner of age, dying to be young. So my head is my hand with a gun, and it's cold and it's hard, because there's nowhere to run where you caged yourself by holding it. I'm a prisoner of words unsaid. Just lonely feelings locked away in my head. It's like solitary confinement. Every time I stay quiet, I should start to speak, but I stop. I stay silent. And now I've made my own hard bed inside this